In triangle ABC, AD, BE, and CF are the medians. If area of triangle ABC is 48 units square, find first the area of triangle ADC. Okay, median divides the triangle into two halves. So about the median AD, okay, triangle के दो टुकड़े होंगे. Okay, both will have the same area, 24 units. That's the answer. Area of triangle AGB. Okay, AGB को solve करने का simple तरीका है. You can observe that all these triangles basically will be equal, right? These triangles A, and A. So sum of all these values, 6 times A will be equal to 48. So A will be equal to 8 units, right? So guys, areas of all these smaller triangles is nothing but 8 units. So you can just write 8 everywhere right now. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, and 8. Okay. Now they ask you find the area of triangle AGB. AGB is going to be this area. 8 plus 8, 16. Okay. You can also imagine it, guys. Dekho, everywhere. Okay. These triangles which I'm showing right now, they are nothing but 1/3 of the total area, right? So हम लोग 48 का 1/3 भी कर सकते हैं. Get the answer 16, whichever is your choice. Okay. Next question, BGD. BGD कितना होगा? BGD is this one. It is 1/6 of the total area. 1/6 of 48 is 8 units square. Next question is area of triangle AFE. Now this one is a really good question. You can try it out by pausing the video and then we'll discuss. Okay, guys. So to find the area of AFE, I first need to connect F and E, right? Okay, that's a very bad way of doing it. Okay, pathetic. Let's try one more. Yeah, better, much better. Okay. Now, guys, we know that F is the midpoint of AB, so this ratio is 1:1. Also, AE is equal to EC. E is a midpoint. That means by the midpoint theorem, FE will be parallel to BC and half of it, right? खैर फिलहाल तो parallel से हमारा काम हो जाएगा. If FE is parallel to BC, guys, can I say AFE will be same as ABC? Yeah, these two form corresponding angles of parallel lines, right, across transversal AB, right? So I can say that this angle will be same as this angle, corresponding angles. Okay, and A is the common angle, right? So guys, triangle AFE will be similar to ABC, right? AFE will be similar to triangle ABC by the AA test. Okay, for similar triangles, what do we know? We know that the ratio of the areas. So area of triangle AFE divided by area of triangle ABC कितना दिया है क्वेश्चन में? 48 दिया हुआ है total area is square of the ratio of their sides. Okay, so AF upon AB का whole square. Now guys, what is AF upon AB? AF upon AB is basically half. ना AF उसका half है AB का. So this ratio is half. Half का square कितना देगा? Basically 1/4. So if AFE upon 48 is 1/4, AFE कितना होगा? Basically 12 unit square, right? So area of triangle AFE is 12 unit square. Now guys, tell me, अगर ये area हो गया 12 unit square, if this area is 12, you can draw a same line passing through D and E and prove that it is parallel to AB. So DEC का भी area 12 ही आएगा. Same way you can draw a parallel line through FD, prove that this area is 12. Okay, so 12, 12, 12, okay, 36. The remainder is also 12, right? Isn't it? That means the point of the midpoints when they join together, okay, they will also divide the figure into 4 equal parts having the same area, right? So that was the next question, I guess. Area of triangle FED, we have solved that also. The answer is 12 units square, right? Next question is area of triangle AED. Now guys, what do we observe is, देखो, when we join the midpoints here, okay, what do I observe is, see, I have formed one more triangle DEF जिसके 6 parts हो रहे हैं, right? देखो, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and now by symmetry these points are also the midpoints of the given sides of the triangle. Okay, that means जो median वाला फंडा है वो अंदर वापस अप्लाई होगा एक जगह पे, right? So the area 12, okay, this area 12 will be broken down into 6 parts. So all these small triangles will have area equals to 2 units, right? Okay, now the question demands what is the area of triangle AED. Okay, now AED, guys, is basically this. AED is required as this triangle, right? Okay, now we know that AGE, this angle, this triangle AGE, right? This triangle AGE we took as 8, right? Right? इस 8 में हमें, guys, AED के लिए क्या ऐड करना पड़ेगा? हमें ये 2 और ये 2 ऐड करना पड़ेगा, right? Okay, so basically we already have AGE, already found this out as 8. उसमें हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? उसमें हमें सिर्फ ये दो ट्रायंगल्स ऐड करने पड़ेंगे, ये वाला और ये वाला. इनका एरिया में कितना फाइंड किया था? 2 and 2, right? So for AED the answer is 8 plus 2 plus 2 giving you 12 is the answer. Okay, one more way out, one more way out, one more way out. Okay, you can join ED here. Okay, and DEC का हमने एरिया फाइंड किया है 12, right? Okay, and ADC का एरिया पहले क्वेश्चन में 24 फाइंड किया था हमने. So for AED, guys, AED के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? ये 24 में से ये 12 subtract कर देंगे. You get the area of AED, which is again 12. Okay, let's go on to the next question, guys. The next question is EFG. ये भी हम पहले फाइंड कर चुके हैं एक तरह से, right? When you join the midpoints here, okay, Okay, all these triangles formed are basically one third, right? ये देखो, ये one third है, ये one third है, ये one third है, right? All are one third. So one third of 12 होगा अपना answer, which is 4 unit square. That is the answer for area of triangle EGF. And the last question is area of quadrilateral AFGE. Okay, ये बहुत simple सा question है guys. AFGE के लिए you can take these two values. ये 8 था, ये भी 8 था. Just add these two, you get 16, and that's the required answer. Okay, you can also take AFE का area जो कि हमने 12 find किया, उसमें 2 और 2 इन दोनों का area add कर लो. This and this, you get still the same answer, which is 16. Let's go on to the next one, guys. BCDF is a rectangle. Triangle ABE and triangle BEF have areas of 4 and 6 centimeters square. Find the area of quadrilateral ACDE. All right. So again, you can try it out and then you can resume to look at the solution. Okay, guys. So we start by drawing a line parallel to AF, right? So guys, if you draw a line parallel to AF passing through point B, you can see that ABE, okay, ABE is this triangle here, right? The red triangle. Okay, and the triangle BEF, okay, the yellow triangle here, okay, the red triangle and the yellow triangle. Okay, these two triangles are having the same height because they're lying between the same two parallel lines. Okay, so these two have the same height. That means the area is proportional to the base. So area of triangle ABE, okay, and area of triangle FB, दोनों का ratio क्या हो जाएगा? A divided by FE, right? So okay, so what is the area of triangle ABE given? It's given as 4 centimeter square, and FB is given as 6 centimeter square. Okay, divide them, you get AE upon FE का value, which is 2:3, right? Okay, now consider triangle ABE, the red triangle, and let's consider triangle DEF, the blue triangle, right? Again, the red triangle ABE and the blue triangle DEF, right? Now guys, for these two triangles, observe that angle ABD will be same as angle BDF, right? Because see guys, rectangle दिया है question में हमें ये, अगर rectangle दिया है, these two sides are definitely parallel, right? So across transversal BD, okay, angle ABD and angle BDF, they form alternate angles, right? Okay, so these two will be equal. Okay, also by vertically opposite angles, guys, AEB will be same. Also by vertically opposite angles, guys, AEB will be same as DEF, right? So these two triangles are similar by the AA test, right? Whenever triangles are similar, the ratio of the areas is square of the ratio of their sides. AE और FE हम पहले निकाल चुके हैं, ratio 2/3. Okay, so area of triangle AB upon area of triangle FD will be 2/3 ka square, which is 4/9. But in the question, area of triangle FB is given as 4 centimeter square, right? So यहाँ से हम क्या निकालेंगे? Area of triangle FDE. Okay, so area of triangle FDE will be equal to how much, guys? Area of triangle FDE will be equal to 9 units square. Okay, now guys, remember, across any rectangle, if you draw a diagonal, the diagonal will break the rectangle into two equal halves, right? Two equal right angle triangles. So I can see there's a right angle triangle ACB being formed and the right angle triangle DFB being formed, right? Both of these right angle triangles ACB and DFB, they are exactly halves, two halves of the same rectangle. So area of triangle BCD will be equal to area of triangle DFB. Okay, and what is the area of triangle DFB? I have told you it is DFE plus BFE. Okay, this triangle, okay, DFE इसका area भी निकाला है हमने, and BFE जिसका हमको area दिया हुआ है, right? So we find the area of triangle DBF as 6 plus 9, which is 15. Okay, and as I told you, area of triangle DBF is same as area of triangle DBC. They are two halves of the same rectangle. So area of triangle DBC भी कितना हो जाएगा? 15. उसमें से आप सिर्फ अब क्या करोगे? आप area of triangle AB निकाल दो. You get the required answer. Okay, from the big triangle DCB, this big triangle. Okay, you're going to subtract the area of AB जो आपको दिया हुआ है question में, right? Which is equal to 4, right? So the answer is 15 minus 4 equals to 11 unit square. Okay, so मैंने explain किया, इसलिए it took me so much time, but you can apply this step by फटाफट लिख के solve करके, you can, while solving it, you can do it for less than like 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. Okay, काफी easily solve हो जाएगा. Okay, so with that we go on to the next part, guys.